Yo guys, so I'm back, and today we'll be unboxing the 2-car set of the R40 Slant F trains, which I just got. So let's start the unboxing. So you have these 2 cars, and you can also like couple them together, so it'll be like funny if you do this, but yeah. And you also have these facts on the back of the R4 of the box. It's like, take a good look. Again, so you have these. They also, one thing I don't like about these is that on the front where it shows like the letter of the car, like the F isn't pink, it's orange for 6th Avenue. So, and they also, but they have like the original MTA logo that I have in the 1960s. So that's kind of good. Yeah, apart from the like small error on the front sign, this is like really good. So yeah, really good.